जाबाय First of all, I would like to thank the media, the Press Club of Kokrazar. And today, on this very day, 7th February 2022, through this media, I would like to convey a message to the people of India, to the people of Assam, and to the people of BTC, especially the Bodo community. Today, on this very day, we, the like-minded Bodo students of India, gathered together in the Bodoland Cemetery near the Bodoland University, Deburgao, Kokrazar. There we assembled and we discussed regarding the socio-economic condition of the Bodos. And today, in this gathering, we, the members present there, we decided to think about our future existence of the Bodo community living in India, in Northeast India, Assam. And today, we felt that the socio-economic condition of the Bodos are threatened. And today, in our Bodo community, there is no social organization which can voice or which can raise against the atrocities made by the subsequent Assam governments. So today, we, the like-minded Bodo students of India, today we assembled and we formed a new students' union, that is the Bodo Nationalist Students' Union, known as Bodo National Students' Union. In short form, we call it BONSU. And today, with this new students' union, we came together in a common platform where we have decided to fight for the rights of the Bodo people, for the existence of the Bodo people, for the identity of the Bodo people, and for the freedom and for the homeland of the Bodo people. And through this press release, I would like to appeal